Hi, welcome back. So today I wanted to try something that I saw about 6 months ago and I've been meaning to try it and just haven't. I'm sure you guys have heard of those Biore pore strips that you put on your nose and right here on the apples of your cheek. Well, I always used to use those. I would use them twice a month, but they're just so darn expensive. So when I saw this, I thought, ooh, I have got to try it. So I'm gonna try the DIY version of those pore strips by using ELMER'S school glue. So yeah, I hear it works perfectly, and so I want to try it for myself. I've been letting the little blackheads build up, I know, but because I wanted to see if it really does work. And mostly I have them right here. I usually have a bunch right here, but it seems like mostly they're right here right now. So I am going to try this. I'm going to apply some ELMER'S glue on this old e.l.f. brush. It's a foundation brush that I don't like to use for foundation. I just don't like how it goes on. It leaves brush strokes. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for applying the glue. But first I'm going to take off the makeup on my nose because I hadn't planned on making this, but I want to try it. Alright, so I'm going to take off the makeup off my nose, and so what I think you have to do is you have to apply it on your nose, the area that you want your blackheads to be lifted away, and you let it dry. And from what I'm hearing, it has to dry till it's clear, and I'm hearing that it's about 20 minutes before it dries completely. So I will probably be fast forwarding through the part where I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Alrighty guys, let's do this. Yay! I sure hope it works. Let's get the makeup off my nose first though. So I'm just going to take the makeup off where I usually have the pore strips. Okay, so before I apply the glue, I want to zoom in really close so you can see my gross pores, my blackheads. Let me see. Okay, so here we are zoomed in. And as you can see, I have a ton of pores, but you can see the dark blackheads right in there. And so this is before. You can see some blackheads right there. You can see a bunch actually. If you stretch my skin, you can see a bunch. Okay, so that's before, and then we'll zoom in after. I'm just going to use this brush, this old e.l.f. brush like I said, and I'm just going to put some glue on here, put a generous amount. And brush it on. Let's see what happens. Ooh, it's cold and goopy. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this for months now. Bought a brand new bottle of glue so that I could try this. 59 cents versus like $6 or $7 of Biore strips. If it works, I know what I'll be doing from now on. This is what I'll be using. I want to put it on kind of evenly and kind of thick, just because I think it might be easier to peel off afterwards. I've never done it, so I don't know how much to put on. Want to get it in the crevices. I don't know how much. Can you see it? Alright, so that's that. I'm going to let it dry. We'll see how long it actually takes to dry. Let me see if I have some kind of timer or something on my phone that I can use. Should be fun taking it off. You know, when you're in grade school, and when I was in grade school anyway, I used to put it all over my hand and then just watch myself peel it off and be amazed by it. I thought it was awesome. So yeah, might be fun taking it off, unless it hurts. Okay, so I'm gonna see how long it actually takes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my stopwatch, and when it's clear, I guess it's dry, and so that's when we will take it off. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to save the brush. Even though I don't use it very often, I'm gonna try to save it by cleaning it right away. Okay, I think it's dry. How long did it take? Let me see. About 12, let me pause it. 12 minutes or so it took for it to dry. So it's a good thing because my battery's about to die. So let's try this before my battery goes out. Woo, you can see it peeling right there. Hope I can get it off. It's coming. Don't die, battery. Please don't die yet. It's starting to tear. Whew. Let me do this side. I look funny. I don't have any nails on this side. I just cut my nails. Come on. Come on. Don't tear on me. Let's come off in one piece maybe. That's the goal. Hope it comes off. There it comes. Wow. Okay, so, oh yeah, I see. I don't think you want to see this, but maybe I should show you just in case. So it's hard to see on here. Tried to show you, but it's not focusing on it. It's not wanting to focus, but who wants to look at blackheads anyway, right? Anyway, let me see if I can zoom in. I think I still have a little bit of glue on my face though. So let's focus. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. Remember I had some pretty dark blackheads over here? I still see a couple, but hey, for just spending 59 cents on the glue, this did pretty well. And it feels so soft. My face feels soft now. So I say it works. I give it definitely 2 thumbs up. I like the ELMER'S glue, and it didn't take as long as someone that I watched said it took 20 minutes. It didn't take 20 minutes, but she wasn't using ELMER'S glue. She was using something that she found it, I think she was in Europe or something, and so she couldn't find ELMER'S glue, so maybe ELMER'S glue actually dries faster, I don't know. But it works, and you may not be able to see a difference on camera like I can, and you can't see the actual blackheads on here, but I definitely can, which makes me feel like it's definitely good. And so instead of spending $6 for Biore pore strips, 59 cents, and you can find it even cheaper, sometimes 29 cents. Alrighty guys, that's all I wanted to film today. I'm gonna put my makeup back on now. Alrighty guys, I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye!